Welcome back everyone. In this episode, a bit of Australian motoring history as we step back in time at the Mildura Holden Museum. Stick around.
Out and about Sunraysia, where the river runs and the gum trees sway. Vines so green and sky so wide, come take a trip, enjoy the ride.
Just a few minutes from the Mildura city centre, the Mildura Holden Museum is a must-see for car lovers, history buffs and anyone for a passion for one of Australia's most iconic automotive brands, the mighty Holden. From the original FX to the sleek Monaros, Kingswoods and Commodores that all defined generations, this museum showcases cars each with their own story. We better head in and have a squiz. This labour of love is the work of the late Ron Morello, a passionate collector whose dedication to preserving Holden's legacy has created an experience that's both deeply personal and nostalgic. Anyway, enough talking, let's have a look around.
In a quiet shed on a sunlit floor, Holden's line up like days before. Steel and pride from factory floor. This is where the lions roar, where the lions roar and the past still drives. Engines resting, but the spirit thrives. From FJ's dreams to Commodore, you'll feel it here where the lions roar. Toronto shine, old badges gleam. Every car holds an Aussie dream. You can feel it down to the engine's core. Yeah, this is where the lions roar, where the lions roar through every hall. A badge of legacy standing tall. From showroom floor to workshop door, it echoes loud where the lions roar. They don't roll out from lines no more, but they live on behind that door. A reverent hush, a silent score.
It's not just about the cars, the museum is packed with rare memorabilia, think vintage signage, promotional gear and even original factory documents. It's like stepping back in time into the golden age of Australian motoring.
In polished chrome that won't decay, past and pride in every pore, forever here where the lions roar, where the lions roar.
And when you're finished drooling over the cars, don't forget to check out the coffee and souvenir shop. Well, there you have it guys, the Mildura Holden Museum. I had an absolute blast there. If you like this video, check this one out here. Also don't forget to have a look at outandaboutsunraysia.com.au. But be good, stay safe and bye for now.